So, when was you first introduced to soil, and what was your first thoughts about soil?
I was introduced to soil when I was going to Coimbatore together, along with a group of delegates we had taken to work with the GRG institution. And that is where I got an opportunity to understand their pedagogy in detail. And I was pretty impressed with the way they were detailing it and bringing the design thinking and problem solving approach with students in their formative year, which is where I thought I can offer my support in whichever capacity I can offer. And I'm glad that we did. This event is giving me a flavor of what their ecosystem has been able to produce, and we continue to remain committed to help anything which comes out of it as well, in personal capacity or is through our venture capital ecosystem.
So, in this soil journey, what was your best moments?
I think the way they have allowed Ask Anjali to evolve, how the kids which are coming out of their pedagogy are getting the best opportunity globally is already starting to validate that what they were canvassing is now working, right? So it's a matter of now perseverance for them to keep doing this, keep doing that at right amount, right scale, and if they keep doing it repetitively over a period of time, the change would be visible at a much larger scale. And I wish them all the success to do that.
Thank you very much, sir.